Now student, the distribution of workforce in different employment. There are different employment activities are primary, secondary and tertiary sector activities are there. Previously, most of the people are engaged in primary sector industries, that is they are dependent on agriculture, and the 70% population of our country depends on agriculture. Now with the expansion of secondary sector, that is now the people has decreased, the number of persons engaged in economic activities in agriculture has decreased. Now they have started shifting to manufacturing industries, that means in the secondary sector industries. So secondary sector industry is also one of the important source of providing employment to the people. And then the tertiary sector came, and when the tertiary sector came, the secondary sectors, the people involved in secondary sector was also goes on decreasing. Previously, people is migrate from rural areas to urban areas in search of work, because they are mostly dependent on agriculture, and agriculture, the condition of agriculture was not so good. The income from agriculture is not uh, giving good results. So that is why the people are migrating from rural areas to urban areas, and because of that, the different economic activities arise, like people are engaged in our country in primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Now what are the different types of economic activities? So we have divided the economic activities into these different groups, like the distribution of employment in different sectors are primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. And these are the following economic activities which we have divided in the primary, secondary and tertiary sector. The economic activities are like agriculture, mining and quarrying, and construction, transport and storage, manufacturing, electricity, gas and water supply, and trade and services. These are the different economic activities. We have divided them into 8 groups. From that, agriculture and mining and quarrying belongs to the primary sector. Construction, transport and storage, electricity and water supply are coming in secondary sector, and trade and services are coming in tertiary sector. तो इस तरह से ये डिफरेंट इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज को हमने अलग अलग सेक्टर्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. Some people are engaged in primary sector, they are doing agriculture work, they are doing mining, means they are extracting resources from the, that is raw material. And some people are engaged in secondary sector like construction, transport, storage, manufacturing, electricity, gas and water supply. They are doing work in secondary sector. Secondary sector is related to the manufacturing of goods, and also for production of goods. So most of the person are dependent on industries also. Now some people, those who are educated, those who are wants to do the service work, so they will join the trade, secondary tertiary sector, that is they are doing trade or they are doing services. Now these are the 3 different sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary sector. The number of people distributed in these sectors are, in our country, the out of the total population, 60.4% people are engaged in primary sector. That is 60.4%. Maximum part of the people of our country are dependent on primary sector, that is they are doing agriculture work, or the work that is related to the primary sector, means that is extraction of raw material, and that is production of raw material. And then in the secondary sector, 15.8% people are involved in secondary sector, and in tertiary sector 23.8% people 23.8% people are engaged in tertiary sector. So these are the different sectors, and in these different sectors, the people of India, that is the workforce of India, are divided. In our country, the people who are, those who are able to work, those who are willing to work, they will coming in the workforce, and that workforce will be most of the people are doing primary sector work, that is most of the people in our country depends on agriculture. एंड जैसे जैसे धीरे धीरे सेकेंडरी सेक्टर के बारे में लोगों को पता चला, दैट इज दे स्टार्टेड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वर्क, मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज वर स्टार्टेड, so the people has left working in agriculture sector, and now they have joined the secondary sector. So 15.8% people of our country are working in secondary sector. And then जैसे जैसे धीरे धीरे लोगों को tertiary sector means they want to do service, that is they don't want to start their own business, they don't want to become self employed, or they want to become they want to do some regular source of income, so they have started working in tertiary sector. So the percentage of tertiary sector industries is 23.8%, मीन्स हमारे देश में सबसे ज़्यादा लोग जो है वो प्राइमरी सेक्टर में इन्वॉल्व हैं, इसके बाद टर्शरी सेक्टर में इन्वॉल्व है, एंड देन सेकेंडरी सेक्टर में 15.8% पीपल आर इन्वॉल्व इन सेकेंडरी सेक्टर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, बेसिकली जो इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ हैं उनको हमने 8 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है, और वो 8 इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ जो है आइदर दे आर रिलेटेड टू द प्राइमरी सेक्टर, either from the secondary sector or either from the tertiary sector. So the people are basically working in primary, secondary and tertiary sector. उसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा परसेंटेज जो है वो है प्राइमरी सेक्टर में, कि प्राइमरी सेक्टर में ज़्यादातर लोग वर्क कर रहे हैं. इसके बाद टर्शियरी सेक्टर में पीपल आर वर्किंग, एंड देन इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर, दैट इज सेकेंडरी सेक्टर, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वर्क में जो है 15.8% पीपल ऑफ आवर कंट्री आर इन्वॉल्व वर्किंग इन दिस सेक्टर.